What if I told you there is a tiny, inexpensive seed sitting in your pantry right now that outperforms some of the most expensive supplements on the market? We're talking about something that can drop your blood pressure, fix your gut health, and literally shield your cells from disease. Sounds like biohacking magic, right? It's actually just flaxseed. But here is the problem: 90% of people are eating it in a way that makes it completely useless. Their bodies aren't absorbing a single nutrient. Today, we're breaking down the 8 science-backed reasons you need a spoonful a day, plus the one preparation mistake that is likely canceling out all these benefits for you. Let's dive in. Flaxseed isn't a trend. It's been used for over 6,000 years, from ancient Babylon to Charlemagne's empire, who actually passed laws requiring his subjects to eat it because he believed in its power so much. Now, modern science is finally catching up. These seeds are cheap and easy to use, but the benefits are massive. However, there's a catch. Some of these benefits only kick in if you understand the chemistry of the seed. Before we get to the how, let's look at what's actually happening inside your body when you swallow that first spoonful. 1. The Nutrient Multiverse. Think of flaxseed as nature's most compact multivitamin. In just 1 tablespoon, you're getting a hit of fiber, plant protein, and healthy fats. But here's the hidden nutrient no one talks about: vitamin B1, thiamine. If you find yourself hitting a wall at 2 p.m. every day, it might not be a lack of caffeine, it might be a B1 deficiency. Thiamine is the key that unlocks energy from your food. Flaxseed is also packed with copper and magnesium, which are essential for brain function. Speaking of the brain, wait until we talk about the specific fats in these seeds that act like oil for your nervous system. 2. The Omega-3 Powerhouse. Most people think you have to eat salmon every day to get your omega-3s. But flaxseed is one of the richest plant-based sources of alpha-linolenic acid, ALA. Why does this matter? ALA is like a fire extinguisher for inflammation in your arteries. Studies show that people who consume high levels of ALA have a significantly lower risk of heart attacks. Pro tip: if you're vegan or don't like the taste of fish, this is your primary tool for heart protection. 3. The Hormone Shield. This is where flaxseed gets truly unique. It contains up to 800 times more lignans than other plant foods. Lignans are powerful antioxidants that act as phytoestrogens. There is fascinating research, especially for women, showing that these compounds may help reduce the risk of breast cancer by balancing hormone levels. Now, I want to be clear, it's a supportive food, not a miracle cure. But having that extra layer of cellular protection in your morning smoothie? That's a no-brainer. 4. The gut glue effect. Have you ever seen what happens when flaxseed hits water? It turns into a thick, gel-like substance. That slime is actually mucilage. It sounds gross, but your gut loves it. This soluble fiber coats the lining of your digestive tract, slowing down digestion so you actually absorb your nutrients instead of just passing them. If you deal with bloating or irregularity, this gel is the natural solution you've been looking for. 5. The cholesterol vacuum. Imagine a tiny vacuum cleaner moving through your digestive system. That's flaxseed. The fiber binds to bile salts, which are made of cholesterol, and carries them out of the body. To replace that lost bile, your liver has to pull bad LDL cholesterol out of your blood. The result? Your numbers go down, and your heart stays clear. 6. The pressure release valve. High blood pressure is the silent killer, but flaxseed is a silent defender. A famous study showed that eating 30 grams of flaxseed daily for 6 months lowered systolic blood pressure by an average of 10 millimeters of mercury. To put that in perspective, that's a result similar to some medications. But don't go throwing your pills away yet, always talk to your doctor first. 7. The blood sugar stabilizer. Do you get hangry? That's usually a blood sugar crash. Because flaxseed is so high in fiber, it prevents the sugar spike after you eat a meal. It keeps your insulin steady, meaning you stay focused and energetic for hours instead of crashing 30 minutes after breakfast. 8. The hunger hack. If you're trying to lose weight, flaxseed is your secret weapon, but not because it burns fat, it's because of satiety. That gel we talked about earlier? It expands in your stomach, signaling your brain that you are full. Adding 1 tablespoon to your meal can literally turn off the "I need a snack" signal in your brain for the rest of the afternoon. The critical mistake. Okay, here's the mistake I warned you about at the start. Stop eating whole flax seeds. The outer shell of a flaxseed is incredibly tough. If you eat them whole, your digestive enzymes can't break them down. They will pass through your system completely intact, and you'll get zero of the benefits we just discussed. The fix: you must eat them ground. Buy them pre-ground, flax meal, or throw them in a coffee grinder for 5 seconds. Also, keep them in the fridge. The oils in flaxseed are delicate and can go rancid if they sit in a hot pantry. How to start today? It's so easy to start. Morning. Stir it into oatmeal or yogurt. Baking. Use it as an egg, 1 tablespoon ground flax plus 3 tablespoons water. Lunch. Sprinkle it on a salad for a nutty crunch. Target 1 tablespoon a day. That's the sweet spot for most people. This tiny seed is proof that you don't need a massive budget or a pharmacy of supplements to take control of your health. You just need the right habits. If you learned something new today, hit that like button. It helps me keep making these deep dives for you. Question of the day. Are you already a flaxseed fan, or was the ground versus whole tip a total surprise to you? Let me know in the comments. Don't forget to subscribe for more science-backed health tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next one.